If your hair is looking thin and frail, you came to the right place, because in today's video, I'm sharing with you an amazing mask that is made with coffee. Usually coffee is used for your roots and it helps a lot with hair growth, but today we are focusing on your hair texture and making your hair more smooth and shiny. So stick with me, because this is my last video of 2024 and I wanted to give you a great boost for 2025. So thank you for watching, and let's start with our remedy. All you're going to need is 2 tablespoons of a hair mask, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 teaspoons of coffee. I am using this one, but you can use whatever coffee you have at home. Just mix it all together and leave it for a couple of minutes until the coffee dissolves. And then just mix it again and it's ready to use. After washing your hair with a shampoo, apply your mask layer by layer and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes with or without a shower cap. This mask is very messy, as you can see, so make sure you apply it in the shower, and after that rinse it and apply a conditioner to close the cuticles of your hair. And this is the result after I styled my hair. I don't know if you've noticed, but after I done that mask, my hair does look like it's got kind of a chocolatey color. So I really actually like the result. And I really hope that you check out my channel, because I've got many other videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.